Hello, my friends. Today I wanted to let you know, if you're a patron, that I've put out the brand new schedule for the winter 2019-2020 semester of personal mentoring. So there's only about a dozen slots open because I had some people who wanted to stay. So please get in there right away and put your request in. Read what I wrote under the video and follow the directions, and it will be first come, first serve. If you're not a patron and you're thinking you might want to be mentored, I suggest you join, and then you can see if you can get in the mentoring class. If you can't make this mentoring class, I have one every semester. So if you want to be a patron, it's only $5 a month. I welcome you to come over. There's lots of great content for you over there. You're getting a sample of some of the older Patreon videos every Friday on this channel. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.